Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty tools and products with a mix of science, experience, and a little flair for the practical. Today, I have a tool that many of us often overlook until we need it: the Sally Hansen Neat-Cuticle Nipper. It's designed as a cuticle trimmer, featuring a precise half-jaw blade meant to gently prep and safely trim cuticles, keeping your nail care routine sharp and tidy. Right out of the box, the nipper feels well-balanced in hand. The blade is compact and finely pointed, which promises precision for those delicate areas around the nail. The stainless steel material has a smooth, polished finish, giving it a professional feel while also being easy to clean. One end serves as the nipper, while the handle subtly doubles as a cuticle pusher. Small but thoughtful, especially for a compact single-tool design. Using it was straightforward. The half-jaw blade allows for controlled trimming, which is particularly helpful when you're dealing with stubborn cuticle edges or hangnails. I found it easy to maneuver around the nail bed without feeling like I was at risk of cutting too much. The pusher side is gentle yet firm, making it simple to prep the cuticles before trimming. Over several uses, the tool retained its sharpness and precision, which is crucial for any cuticle nipper. You don't want a dull blade that tears instead of cuts. What I appreciated most is the combination of safety and precision. The nipper allows for careful trimming without the fear of nicking the skin, which is often a concern with sharper or poorly balanced tools. On the flip side, this tool is small, so if you're someone who prefers a more ergonomic, larger handle for extended sessions, it might feel a little compact. When it comes to value, Sally Hansen is known for delivering professional-grade tools at an accessible price point. This nipper performs well against many salon-quality options, but is significantly easier on the budget. Comparatively, some high-end nippers offer more ergonomic handles or interchangeable blades, but for straightforward, precise cuticle care, this tool holds its own. The build quality is solid. The stainless steel is resistant to rust and easy to sanitize, making it a hygienic choice for home use. While it doesn't come with replacement blades, the longevity of the blade itself seems dependable with normal upkeep. If you're exploring alternatives, budget-friendly nippers like the Tweezerman cuticle nippers offer similar precision, but I found the Sally Hansen blade slightly sharper and easier to control for small, detailed areas. For those seeking a high-end experience, professional-grade Japanese steel nippers may offer an upgrade, but at a higher cost. Overall, the Sally Hansen Neat-Cuticle Nipper delivers reliable performance, precise trimming, and an intuitive design that fits neatly into a home nail care kit. It's ideal for anyone looking for accuracy without sacrificing safety or affordability. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. And if you've already used this cuticle nipper, drop a comment below and share your experience. I love hearing your thoughts. You can find a link to purchase it in the description or comments box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.